Hey everyone! So, are you typing and Grammarly isn't underlining mistakes anymore? Maybe the red or blue lines just don't appear, or it seems like Grammarly stopped checking your text entirely. That can be super frustrating when you're relying on it to catch errors. In this video, I'll show you several easy ways to fix Grammarly not underlining mistakes. Most of these steps only take a few minutes and usually get everything working again. First, try refreshing the page or document you're working on. Sometimes Grammarly doesn't load correctly when a page or document first opens, and a quick reload can fix it. Next, make sure Grammarly is active. Check the Grammarly icon in the toolbar or the text editor corner. If it's grayed out or turned off, click to activate it. Sometimes Grammarly may not underline certain mistakes due to the selected writing settings. Go to your Grammarly account or extension settings and check your writing preferences like style, language, or suggestion types. If it's still not underlining, clearing your browser cache can help. Old cached data can interfere with how extensions or web apps display corrections. So clearing it often fixes display issues. Another effective solution is updating or reinstalling Grammarly. Sometimes an outdated extension or corrupted files can prevent underlines from showing, and reinstalling resets everything. Grammarly might not fully support some websites or apps. If underlines aren't showing, try copying your text into a supported editor like Google Docs or the Grammarly web editor to see if corrections appear there. And that's it. Most issues with Grammarly not underlining mistakes can be solved by refreshing the page, checking settings, or reinstalling the extension. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.